Hey guys, welcome back to this series where we cover each and every program from each and every chapter of this book. And I'm sure every one of you is in a coding mood, so let's get started. And yes, this is our first program in Windows 11. So let's get started in the new Windows and in a new mood. Alright, the question that we deal with today is this one. A triangle is said to be an equable triangle if the area of the triangle is equal to its perimeter. Write a program to enter three sides of a triangle. Check and print whether the triangle is equable or not. So for this program, there are just two things that we'll have to calculate which are relatively very simple. One is the area and two is the perimeter. The perimeter, however, is a much simpler idea to calculate given that we have all the three sides. But for the area, it's a little bit, I wouldn't say complicated, but compared to the perimeter, yes. But again, it's still easy. We just have a formula for the area if we have the three sides. And in this formula, the S stands for the semi-perimeter, or in other words, half of the perimeter. And the values, the variables A, B and C stand for the three sides. Alright, now let's get started with writing down our code. Let's create a new class, name it program_9. Now for the inputs, we take it as A, B and C so that it's all simple for us. So int A and B and C. And now for the main part, let's first calculate the area, then we'll calculate the perimeter. Before that, let's have few variables assigned. One will be the S for the semi-perimeter, one for the area and one for the perimeter. So it will be double S, area, perimeter. Now it's already given over here that the semi-perimeter will be A plus B plus C by 2. So moving on, now to calculate the area, we have under root over here. Now for that under root, we'll have to be importing the math class. Before we just start on with writing the math.sqrt and stuff, first let's calculate what's inside the under root. So that is the S variable multiplied by S minus A, that multiplied with S minus B, and that again multiplied with S minus C. Now this entire part, we need the under root of this entire thing. So we'll have math.sqrt. We'll put this entire thing inside the function of math.sqrt, and this will return as the under root the entire value. Now that we're done with calculating the area, now the perimeter, I don't think any one of you needs it, but A plus B plus C. Now we are done with both the parts, that is calculating the area and calculating the perimeter. Now all that's left is to check if the perimeter is equal to the area or not. The if-else condition is pretty straightforward, I believe, and if the area is equal to the perimeter, we print that it's an equable triangle, and if it's not, then we print that it is not an equable triangle. And also remember guys, do not put a single equal to like this, because this will mean that you are assigning the value, and this is the conditional operator, that is double equal to. Now we can close the program and test it out guys. Let's compile it. And for these values, there's one particular triangle, that is a 5, 12 and 13 triangle, which is an equable triangle. So 5, 12 and 13. And see, it gives us an equable triangle. And as far as other sides, let's go with, we could try with any other value, say 5, maybe 9, maybe 14. And this will give you not equable triangle. So that's it for today guys. I'll be seeing you on my next video. Until then, keep coding and keep learning, and don't let your coding mood to fly away.